Welcome one and all to Imagination Exploration. Today we are going to take a look at what remains of Euro Disney at Disneyland Paris and where you can still find it. Here you can see one of the lanterns located on the lake at Disney Village, where you can see the old Euro Disney name as well as the original opening year 1992. Let's take a look at Disneyland Park, which was originally called Euro Disneyland. All around the train station you can see the initials EDRR, which stands for the Euro Disneyland Railroad. You can also see at the back side of the train station a clock featuring the name Euro Disneyland Railroad. Right here on Town Square you can see the original opening plaque featuring the Euro Disneyland name as well as the dedication from April 12, 1992 by Michael Eisner, who was chairman of the Walt Disney Company at the time. Let's now walk down the Discovery Arcade. Here you can see an advertisement for the Euro Disneyland Railroad as well as the Main Street train station. This is a parade float from the show A Million Splashes of Color. This parade float is also a hidden tribute to Euro Disney because when the park originally opened, there was a small show featuring a huge book that was folding up, so they've made this as a direct callback to the original show. Let us now take a look at a special tombstone at Phantom Manor. It features names of many Imagineers as well as the tagline, "The Hole in the Wallet Gang." You may ask yourself, why were they called the Hole in the Wallet Gang? Well, that's because Euro Disneyland, when it was originally built, went over budget many times. So, it's like they had a hole in the wallet because they are losing money constantly. Thanks so much for watching, we hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit the like button and consider subscribing so you don't miss anything new.